Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola and this video is going to be about my solo trip to Jamaica. So please comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. I stayed in a beautiful resort called Ocean Eden Bay, and it's located in Belmont, Jamaica. It's an all-inclusive, adults-only resort. So your girl was starving, so I had to get some food and drinks before anything. So I was really in love with the room, the decoration, the bed size, the sitting area was beautiful, and also I love the fact that it had a balcony, jacuzzi, and of course you cannot forget the beautiful view. So after I got settled in, I decided to change into my bathing suit and just go explore the resort. Oh yeah, one thing about your girl is that I'ma eat. You see me doing my little happy dance. So after dinner, I went to this little bar club that they have on the resort. It was pretty entertaining. They had a DJ, a hype man, and some lap dancers. You can't go wrong with that. So my second day in Jamaica, I went on an excursion. It was a 3-for-1, which was a horse ride on the beach, zip lining, and also visiting Dunn's River Fall. By the way, guys, the horse riding on the beach was amazing. It was scary, but definitely worth it. Dunn's River Fall was beautiful. That was my first waterfall ever, so I was definitely soaking up the moment. I ended up meeting these girls from Boston. They were super cool and we ended up hanging out the rest of the day. I know, guys, traveling by yourself sounds intimidating, but for the most part, in my experience, people are friendly. So don't be scared to put yourself out there. So I'm back at the hotel, had dinner, dessert, and some entertainment as well. I woke up the next morning, chilled by the pool, had some breakfast. The breakfast was a Jamaican platter. It was so good. It was pretty heavy, but so good. So, of course, I couldn't be in Jamaica without smoking some good weed. My driver, Andre, ended up getting it for me, and now we're on our way to go river rafting. So the river rafting was about an hour and a half away from my resort, which was in Liti. At this point of the trip, I was getting kind of nervous because we was really far away. We was in a dead area. So as you could see in my face, I was scared. There was a whole bunch of guys standing outside, looking real sketchy. But thankfully everything came out well. We was walking down to go on the raft. When I say rafting was a vibe, it was a vibe. I totally recommend 10 out of 10. It's making me a straw, guys. Like, the captain of the raft was really cool. He ended up giving me some sugar cane, also coconut, made me a straw, which was pretty cool. And then also the limestone massage, which was amazing.
That is why they park our thing.
Now we on our way to Negril, to Rick's Cafe, to watch the sunset. It was about an hour and a half away. When I say Jamaica scenery is so beautiful, I'm telling you, it's it, guys. So we made it to Ritz Cafe. This is one of the top touristy spots that a lot of people know about. But when I say they have the best sunset, they really do. So after my day trip, I went back to the resort and just changed and ended up meeting these cool couple from California. They was pretty dope. I hanged out with them for the last night. So unfortunately, it was time to go. So I chilled by the beach in the morning, grabbed some breakfast, and of course, I had to eat a beef patty before I get on the plane. But that was my trip to Jamaica. Thank you for watching. Bye.